How to customize home screen pages for focus on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Then tap Focus. Next, select the focus mode you want to customize, such as Work, Personal, Sleep, or a custom focus. Scroll down and tap Choose Home Screen under the Customize Screen section. Turn on Custom Pages if it isn't already enabled. You'll now see all of your home screen pages. Simply select the pages you want to appear whenever this focus mode is active. Any pages you don't select will remain hidden until you turn off that focus mode. Once you've finished selecting your pages, tap Done, or simply go back. Your changes are saved automatically. Now, whenever you enable this focus mode, your iPhone will display only the home screen pages you've chosen, helping you reduce distractions and stay focused on the apps you need. And that's it. You've successfully customized home screen pages for focus mode on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.